the next idea that we have to look at is collecting like terms, and terms are like if they have the same pronumerals and the same index. So we could use A, B, C, D, E, or F, but in this case I've used A, G, H, I, J, K up to Z. And in this case we have A and 2A. The index of A would be 1 and the index of this A would be 1, so the indices are the same. The pronumerals are the same, they're both A, therefore we can say A and 2A are like terms. With A squared and 3A squared, the pronumerals are the same, the indices are the same, they're both squared, so these are like terms. This A squared, this A has a power of 2, this A only has a power of 1. Because the indices are different, they are not like terms. We don't have to worry about the number in front, we just have to worry about the fact that the index is different. And similarly in this case, we've got 2A and B. A and B are different pronumerals, therefore they cannot be like terms. They must have the same base, the A's, and the same powers, the 2's, or in this case the 1's, to be like terms. Now, once we know that two terms are like, we can simplify it by adding the coefficients. So in this case, if we have A, there's an unwritten 1 in front of it, we're just lazy and never write it. So if we have an A plus another 2 A's, we'll have 3 A's. And we can do that because they're like terms. Now in this case we have an A over here and another 2 A's over here, which makes 3 A's. And we know that 2 plus 4 is 6, so we can simplify this expression down to 3A plus 6. Now in this case we have a negative A and we have 2 more A's. So negative A plus 2A is the same as 2A take A, which is just A, plus 3. So the answer will be A plus 3. Now in this case we have that over there is an A and it doesn't look much like an A, does it? So I'll just fix it up. We have 4A take away 2A, which gives us 2A. And we have 3B take away B, which gives us 2B. So over here I just regrouped them before I worked it out. So I had negative 2A plus 4A, 3B take B, group the A's and B's together, and then simplified. This one's a little bit more complicated because we've got fractions. And we've got unlike denominators. So before we can do anything with them, we need to make like denominators. So putting the A's together, I've got A over 3 and A over 2. The lowest common multiple, the lowest common denominator would be 6. So that would make this into 2A on 6. That would make this to 3A on 6, which is what I did here, which gives me 5A on 6, and we're left with B on 4. Which is what that expression there is. Now if we wanted to continue, we could say, alright, well the lowest common denominator of 6 and 4 is 12. So that would become 10A, and that would become 3B all over 12. 10A plus 3B over 12. Now if you don't understand this, is worth investigating a little bit further because this will help us when we get to the more complicated examples in the next slide. So thanks everyone, I hope that helped, and I'll see you in the next one.